All of us waiting in a lobby. This match is for these three people, which have not added me. Time 12:35 p.m. Pacific. The match was for, well, let me pull it up for you real quick. This is the match I'm talking about right here. Active 12:15. Bird Stompers. I'm going to show you their names. G, Teflex, can't pronounce that. All three of them are right here. These are the three people I've added right here. Another thing to take into consideration, these people had a match for 12:20, which is already completed. Our match was for 12:15. Right here, Cash Money, that's us. Let me click on it just to show you. Cash Money, boom. And here we are in a lobby waiting for him.